Friends, last date of filing income tax return is approaching nearby. So today, let's understand which ITR to file. ITR1, ITR2, ITR3, ITR4, ITR5, ITR6, ITR7. So first let's understand about ITR1. This return form is for a resident individual whose total income for the assessment year 2022-23 includes income from salary or pension, income from one house property excluding cases where loss is brought forward from previous years, or income from other sources excluding winning from lottery and income from race horses, agricultural income up to rupees 5,000. Now, who cannot use ITR1 form? Total income exceeding rupees 50 lakh, agricultural income exceeding rupees 5,000. If you have taxable capital gains, if you have income from business or profession, having income from more than one house property, if you are a director in a company, if you have had investments in unlisted equity shares at any time during the financial year, owing assets including financial interest in any entity outside India, including signing authority in any account located outside India. If you are a resident, not ordinary resident, RNOR, and non-resident, having any foreign income, if you are assessable in respect of income of another person, in respect of which tax is deducted, in the hands of the other person. If tax has been deducted under section 194N, if in case payment or deduction of tax has been deferred on ESOP, if you have any brought forward loss or loss needs to be carried forward under any income head. Now let's understand ITR2. ITR2 is for the use of an individual or a Hindu undivided family, HUF, whose total income for the assessment year 2022-23 includes income from salary or pension, income from house property, income from other sources including winnings from lottery and income from race horses. If you are an individual director in a company and if you have had investments in unlisted equity shares at any time during the financial year. Being a resident, not ordinarily resident, RNOR, and non-resident. Income from capital gains. Now, having any foreign income, agricultural income more than rupees 5,000, owing assets including financial interest in any entity outside India, including signing authority in any account located outside India, if tax has been deducted under section 194N, if in case payment or deduction of tax has been deferred on ESOP, if you have any brought forward loss or loss needs to be carried forward under any income head. Who cannot use ITR2 form? This return form should not be used by an individual whose total income for the assessment year 2022-23 includes income from business or profession. Now, ITR3. The current ITR3 form is to be used by an individual or a Hindu undivided family who have income from a proprietor business or is carrying on a profession. The persons having income from the following sources are eligible to file ITR3. Carrying on a business or profession, if you are an individual director in a company, if you have had investments in unlisted equity shares at any time during the financial year, the return may include income from house property, salary or pension, and income from other sources, income of a person as a partner in the firm. In short, individual or HUFs who are not eligible to file ITR 1, 2 and 4 should file ITR 3. Now come on, let's ITR 4. The current ITR 4 applies to individuals and HUFs, partnership firms other than LLPs, which are resident and whose total income includes business income according to the presumptive income scheme under section 44AD or 44AE. Professional income according to presumptive income scheme under section 44ADA. Income from salary or pension up to rupees 50 lakh. Income from one house property not more than rupees 50 lakh, excluding the amount of brought forward loss or loss to be carried forward. Income from other sources having income not more than rupees 50 lakh, excluding income from lottery and race horses. Now, who cannot use ITR4 form? Owing any foreign asset. If you have signing authority in any account located outside India, having income from any source outside India, if you are a director in a company, if you have had investments in unlisted equity shares at any time during the financial year, being a resident, not ordinarily resident, RNOR, and non-resident. ITR 5. ITR 5 is for firms, LLPs, limited liability partnership, AOPs, association of persons, BOIs, body of individuals, artificial judicial person, AJP, estate of deceased, estate of insolvent, business trust and investment fund. ITR 6 for companies other than companies claiming exemption under section 11. Income from property held for charitable or religious purposes. This return has to be filed electronically only. ITR 7 for persons including companies required to furnish returns under section 139(4)(a) or section 139(4)(b) or section 139(4)(c), section 139(4)(d) or section 139(4)(e) or section 139(4)(f). It is always advisable to take help of expert to file return. This video is for discussion purpose only. This channel carries information on mutual fund which includes equity, debt or hybrid funds, National Pension Scheme, NPS and its benefits. So subscribe this channel with bell icon. Thank you.